Samsung WA62K4000HD TL fully automatic top-loading washing machine, 6.2 kg, sparkling edged brown. Fully automatic top-loading washing machine. Capacity 6.2 kilograms, suitable for bachelors and couples. Warranty, 3 years on product. 1350 RPM, higher the spin speed, faster the drying time. Special features, built-in sync with water jet, Wobble technology and pulsator. Easy returns, this product is eligible for full refund within 10 days of delivery in case of any product defects, damage or features not matching the description provided. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.